Because work sites play a critical role in overall worker safety, OSHA takes site evaluations very seriously. Both host employers and staffing agencies are required to comply with OSHA standards and provide a safe workplace free of serious hazards that may cause death or serious physical harm to employees. While staffing agencies need not become experts on specific hazards, they do have a duty to inquire about the conditions of their workers' assigned workplaces. This includes determining what conditions exist at the client's work sites, identifying hazards that may be encountered, deciding how best to ensure protection for temporary workers, and communicating with host employers to ensure that necessary protections are provided. At the onset of a relationship with a host employer, staffing companies should assess and complete initial risk evaluation paperwork. This includes OSHA Form 300 Summary of Work-Related Injuries and Illnesses, assure that personal protective equipment for eyes, face, head, and extremities and other protective clothing or devices are provided to workers, understand OSHA protocols for employee injuries on the job, make sure safety programs and training are provided to workers, and observe workplace conditions and identify potential ergonomic problems that exist. Responsibilities don't end after the initial risk evaluation. It's important to evaluate work sites periodically, taking into consideration clean and orderly work areas, assure that all equipment such as powered industrial trucks are in good working order. Moving machine parts must have safeguards in place to protect workers from injuries, such as crushed fingers, amputations, and other preventable machine injuries. And workers should be aware of chemical and fire hazards that may exist. Employers must implement fire protection, provide prevention training, and make sure proper signage is visible. Visiting a site for an evaluation shows that you are a responsible business partner. It provides an opportunity to identify new exposures and assess whether new tasks have been added to employees' job duties. A site visit can also open up new placement opportunities for your agency with host employers. Site evaluations provide the opportunity to review the OSHA 300 logs along with prior injury reports to see if there are issues. It also provides an opportunity to see workers performing their jobs firsthand. Important items to consider when visiting a site include injury trends. Are there light-duty work opportunities for injured workers? Has any equipment changed? And are there new safety training programs your agency can participate in? Finally, during site evaluations, pay particular attention to OSHA citation leaders for 2023. They include, is hazardous training in place? Is powered industrial truck training available? Are lockout, tagout IDs in place? Are workers wearing personal protective equipment? Can you see proper machine guards on the equipment? In the end, keep in mind the following goals of your evaluation. Make sure you have the various job titles and the job descriptions saved in the client's file. Have a written understanding of the physical requirements for both screening and job matching. Document any personal protective equipment required and training provided for the various jobs. Having the best information can benefit you with associate retention, which can lead to better outcomes and client happiness. It will also help you with your OSHA compliance. This PowerPoint video is provided by Kevin Kilcoyne at Barrow Group, a Hill Group company. If you have any questions about worksite evaluations, give us a call at 800-874-4798. Thank you.